You're over 60. Every time you want to be close to your wife, you feel helpless. It just won't stay firm, or it fades too fast. The morning signal that once reminded you of your manhood, gone. And deep inside, you whisper to yourself, am I no longer the man I used to be? I understand this pain. And here's the truth, you are not broken. And you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you 5 natural ways to support your erection after 60 without pills. Without shame, only simple steps to bring back strength and confidence. You're over 60, and suddenly, something that once felt natural no longer is. You want to be close to your wife, but it just won't stay firm. Or it fades too fast. The morning signal that once greeted you every day has disappeared. At first, you may tell yourself, it's just age. Everyone loses it eventually. But inside, you feel the sting. It's not just about intimacy, it's about confidence. About still being the man you've always been. And here's the truth, most men never hear. Erection problems after 60 are not just about aging. They are about blood flow, hormones, and daily habits you can actually change. One of my patients, age 65, once told me, Doc, I thought my sex life was over. I stopped hugging my wife at night because I didn't want to disappoint her again. That silence in the bedroom slowly spilled into his marriage. His story is not unique. Millions of men feel the same, but they suffer quietly. Before I show you the 5 natural ways to take back control, let me introduce myself properly. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a board-certified urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men restore their vitality, confidence, and connection without rushing to pills as the only solution. I've treated thousands of men over 60 who thought they were finished, only to discover that with natural strategies, their body could respond again. And here's what may surprise you. Most men don't need more medication. They need better blood flow, stronger lifestyle habits, and simple, natural steps to spark the body's own ability. Why do erections weaken after 60? It's not because you suddenly lost your manhood. It's because 3 systems quietly shift. Within. Circulation weakens. Blood vessels stiffen with age. So less blood flows into the penis. Erections are all about blood flow if the highway is blocked. Traffic slows. Nitric oxide declines. This molecule tells your vessels to relax and open. After 60, production drops by 50% or more. Less nitric oxide, spark weaker erections. 3. Hormones shift. Testosterone often dips, affecting desire, mood, and performance. But here's the good news. All 3 can be supported naturally. Your body is not broken, it just needs the right signals. And in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 natural ways that men over 60 can use starting tomorrow morning to support stronger, longer-lasting erections. 5 natural ways to support your erection after 60. 1. Fuel your blood flow with nitrate-rich foods. Your erection is only as strong as your circulation. One of the simplest ways to boost blood flow is through foods rich in nitrates: beets, spinach, arugula, and pomegranate. These foods convert to nitric oxide in the body, opening arteries and allowing more blood to reach down there. Try starting your morning with beetroot juice, or adding leafy greens to lunch. A study in Hypertension Journal showed that older adults who drank beetroot juice daily improved blood vessel function in just 4 weeks. But here's the secret. It's not about one superfood. It's about creating a daily rhythm where every bite signals your body to flow better. Do. Strengthen with pelvic floor exercises. Most men think erections are only about blood. But the muscles around the base of the penis, the pelvic floor, play a vital role in trapping blood once it arrives. Weak muscles, the weaker erections. Exercises like Kegels for men or bridge pose can strengthen these muscles. One study found that men who practiced pelvic floor training for 3 months regained significant erectile function. And here's what most men don't know. Just 5 minutes a day can make the difference between frustration and firmness. 3. Manage stress and cortisol. Stress is like a silent thief. Elevated cortisol tightens blood vessels and lowers testosterone. Many men notice that on stressful days, performance disappears. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even a daily walk can lower cortisol and improve blood flow. One of my patients began 10 minutes of box breathing each morning. Within weeks, his blood pressure lowered and his erections improved. And here's the irony, the less you worry about it, The more your body responds, calm mind, stronger body, far. Protect your sleep and testosterone. Erections are not built in the bedroom, they're built during sleep. Nighttime and early morning erections are fueled by testosterone, which peaks during deep sleep. Without 7-8 hours, testosterone drops, and so does performance. Set a bedtime, avoid screens an hour before, and create a cool, dark environment. Quality sleep is one of the most natural testosterone boosters available. And here's something most men overlook: skipping just one night of good sleep can slash testosterone by 10 to 15% the next day. Fine. Stay active to keep blood vessels young. Movement is medicine. Aerobic activity like walking, cycling, or swimming keeps vessels elastic, lowers blood sugar, and primes circulation. Even light exercise can improve erectile quality by 30 to 40% in older men, according to Harvard research. Aim for 30 minutes of movement 5 days a week. It doesn't have to be intense. Consistency is the real power. And remember, your erection is like a mirror. The healthier your heart and vessels, the stronger your performance, pulling it all together. So what have we learned? Erections after 60 are not gone. They are waiting for the right support. By fueling blood flow, strengthening pelvic muscles, calming stress, protecting sleep, and moving daily, you create a foundation that no pill can replace. Case study recap. That 65-year-old patient who once avoided his wife. He began drinking beet juice in the morning, practicing pelvic floor exercises, and walking 20 minutes a day. Within 2 months, he not only regained his erections, but also his confidence. His wife later told me, "I feel like I got my husband back." And here's the truth: most men over 60 never hear when erections improve. It's not just about intimacy, it's about energy, clarity, and the joy of living fully again. So here's the lesson. Erections after 60 are not just about age, they are about blood flow, hormones, and the daily choices you make. When circulation weakens and testosterone dips, the body signals through fading morning erections or performance that doesn't last. But you are not powerless. The 5 natural ways we discussed fueling your blood flow with nitrate-rich foods, strengthening pelvic floor muscles, managing stress, protecting sleep, and staying active are not quick tricks. They are foundations, small, consistent actions that rebuild your body's ability to perform naturally, without shame and without relying on pills. And the transformation isn't just physical. When men support their erection naturally, they also regain energy, clarity, and the confidence to connect again with their partner and with themselves. If this video resonated with you, take action today. Try one of these habits this week and notice how your body responds. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, evidence-based advice. Share this video with a friend who might need it, and comment below which habit you'll start with. Your story could inspire another man over 60 to believe in his strength again. Remember, you are not broken, and you are not alone. With natural support, your best days can still be ahead. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, exercise, or health routine, especially if you are taking medications or have existing health conditions.